Yo, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video, man. Today, I'm here with my homie. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But yeah, we just kicking it, man. I was on Forza. Or is this Forza? Yeah, it's Forza.
Honestly, bro.
Bro. I got the vlog plan.
I gotta go talk to Unc, bro. Unc, you want to?
See, look, Maya's talking about content. How I get over there.
He not coming.
But
He not coming. Oh yeah.
y'all about to see me drive with one hand.
Oh, the one that was on the road. Oh, okay. Yeah. Nigga, I
Does it have automatic shipping?
I'm like, damn. Yeah.
Oh. It's cool. I mean, if you
already at 100, bro.
If you can, it's cool.
Like, bro, like I just seeing it.
It's iffy.
I gotta like actually feel that.
Yeah, I want to.
No, it's all good. It's all good, man. Yeah, I'm not tripping.
Let's do it.
I'm about to do this bitch with one hand. Oh wait, I can just tap. Bro, I'm goofy as shit. I'm thinking about the manual, John. All right, bet.
I call right side.
I'm burning.
Oh wait.
Oh shit, damn. Y'all, this is not how I drive in real life, I swear.
So you
Actually, it kind of is.
Flashback.
335 is done, bro. It's gone.
The red type is better.
Oh yeah, hold up.
It just kind of depends, bro.
There
Because
we go.
low key, I had another one like this in my last car, and I was going to go with setup. It's better.
Homie here, man. We coolin'. This is not copyright. I hope not. We coolin', bro. We were just on the game. Actually, matter of fact, see if bro, this is my dream car right here, man. Wait, do you have it? Oh, no, this is ZR1. Never mind. I was about to say if he had a ZR6. I mean, 06. Oh my God! Look. Oh. Oh shit! Oh, I can't drop her shit. Oh yeah. Ah shit! Almost had it. Yo, he got a soundboard. Dude, behind, do this switch. I know he done. 6'7". Yo, that's hard as shit. Alright, y'all. So we finna go on the ride in the TLX. He recently, bro. Somebody just hit his car recently, bro. Whoever hit his car, bro. I'm on you, bro. Oh yeah, we in here, bro. Damn, this shit hella back, boy. But yeah, we got the red guy. Damn, I didn't even know you had red guys. I don't even remember this. This shit hella nice. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. First time in the TLX. TLXs. Okay. I hope it's not copyright. Alright.
Please fasten driver seatbelt.
Oh shit. Oh yeah. Yeah, this nigga looking at me. Get shit.
Yo,
This nigga funny as shit. Yo. Oh yeah, hold, turn this up. Oh yeah, time to get active. Oh hell. Oh yeah. Nah, this shit it been pulled. Nigga scared. Oh shit, PD? Y'all, I'm scared. Oh yeah. Where the fuck?
I kind of want to have fun, but it's like they in my way.
Yeah, nah, Josh. We can wait, bro. It ain't nothing.
And he's, bro, you didn't even let them over. He's a bully.
Yo, nah. nigga straight bitched out, bro.
Everybody spending racks, I done really boss shit.
Now he wanna use the
Everybody got a
signal?
job, but I'm on some bullshit. Ain't worried about a nigga, all they do is talk shit. I got 20 different whips like I ain't walk.
Man, we got the TLXy. This shit TL sexy, nigga. That was very corny. You didn't hear that. I hope you didn't hear that. He didn't hear that. Why the fuck is that shit beeping? Oh yeah, he about to order farm real quick. Oh, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It definitely sounds like a Honda for sure. Sound good though.
Got the mufflers on.
Sure. Oh, white wire. Damn, that was cold. Oh yeah. That was sweet. That was sweet. Oh, squeeze Benz, nigga. Squeeze Benz, nigga. What? Damn. Benz, bro. This is like the perfect daily. I ain't gonna lie.
If the gas was better, like if the economy was better, the gas was better. Right. Like I feel like, of course, like total.
Right.
Well, the ass part is that it's gonna get even worse when you modify the exhaust or get a tune.
Right. Oh yeah, you gonna lose hella gas.
Yeah, most definitely.
For sure.
So you finna have to get a rose. And I heard the trails where to go. He the rich, I'm not the one to scope. I done seen a lot and got a scar. But they all covered by this coat. Cover it out, now I need a coat. He was talking down and then he croaked. Down the creek is wild J. Cole. I was going, I had to use the stove. Never important to people with B6. And now they hate.
Oh yeah. Yo, this y'all move. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he got past me. Yeah.
He hit the brakes though. Maybe he might downshift.
That nigga pussy.
He's scared. I thought he was gonna downshift and go.
What a loser.
He has a label on the side.
Get the fuck out of here. That nigga pussy, bro.
No, she wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
Never seen a lame super owner. All right, y'all.
The next day.
Today, man, we are going to a gun range. It's been a minute since I actually like shot a gun. Nah, I'm lying. I ain't never shot no gun, bro. But now, look, though, we going to the gun range, man, and it's about to be my first time. I'm about to see what's going on. And yeah, man. Let's get straight to it, man. Right now, we cooling. Hold on, don't look at that. I don't know. I don't know if I can record that, but I'm waiting for my homie to come back. He picked me up, bro, because, you know, my vehicle situation. He picked me up, and we're about to go link up with his other friends. So, yeah, once we link up with his friends, pick back up the camera. I'm going to pick back up the camera, and I'm going to get back to y'all. But, man, I don't know, man. It is hot in VA today. Bro, you can hear that fucking truck. That shit's struggling. Where's it at? That shit's struggling, bro. It's hot as shit over here. But yeah, guys. So soon I should have my car back. Or not my car back, but I should have a new car. Man, it's been set, man. It's been pretty depressing not having a vehicle, man. Like, man, it sucks, but hopefully we should be back very soon.
Do you guys not have firearms? So they're shooting your gun? I'm just finding out about this now. I can rip one too.
Yeah, they got hellish in here. Damn. So let's see what else they got. World's lightest. Yeah, these are pretty small. I ain't never seen these small ones. Okay. What the hell was that? What the hell was that? Yeah, that's what I'd be using in COD right there. Dude. And it has a sight. It's pretty sick. I'm excited. Appreciate it. How you doing?
All right, welcome to Green Top. Go ahead and put your firearms where they're going to be the rest of your time here, because where they go is where they're going to stay. So make that selection now. When they do the Green Top, we'll have our safety brief.
Okay.
20, 21, and 22. Let me take the box of the receipt. It's old guy music.
So.
Are you not entertained?
It's my first time.
Have you both shot before?
No.
Okay.
I held a gun before, but not shot.
You put your hand in here, or well, are you right or left-handed?
Right-handed.
Okay, so if you're right-handed, your hand's gonna come up under the back. So this tail, it's called a beaver tail, is gonna get in the way of the gun sliding back and cutting your hand.
Okay.
That's only gonna happen if you're holding it like that.
Right.
It's a terrible idea.
Okay.
So you hold one hand like this, you got thumb onto the beaver tail, 3 fingers wrapped around. You're gonna take those fingers, wrap them in this hand, keep this thumb here. Don't do that, you're gonna cut your thumb.
Right.
So if you hold it like that, point, pull.
Okay.
Remember, push with the backhand, pull with the front hand. If you stand there just like this, you're gonna shake like shit.
Right.
Rip it to make it drop out of your hand. It's gonna be a lot harder. Like, hold it. Don't like go. Put your hand in. Forward with shoot. Okay? It's a moment. Here's your mag.
Y'all got a rifle.
But it's not bad.
Really?
It's really not bad.
down.
Dude, that is so
Step
sick.
right out in the hallway and wipe them off.
Now it's the car 98.
What's up?
How do you like the ADS?
No, it's bad.
Oh, shit! I cracked him!
And like he said, you could kneel down and rest it on the table if you want to. It makes it a little easier. Yeah.
You're not here tomorrow, are you?
Nope, I'm off.
That's pretty sweet.
Can I hold the barrel?
What's up?
Can I hold the barrel too? Like this?
It gets hot after you shoot it a lot, so it might burn your thumb if you do that.
Okay.
But whatever's comfortable. I think you got one more.
I finally shot. He's sniper, man. Oh, MP5. Dude, just like high. Is that an AK?
Huh? Yeah.
What the?
I got AKs. I got some Israeli shit up there. I think that's
I don't fuck with Israel.
Honestly, neither do I. But they're cool guns.
Yeah,
Next time I come, I will bring in one of these. They got the
15?
2 for
Nah, that's a steal.
I didn't even know that
That's a
was
steal. Yeah, no, that's crazy. Let's see what else. Dude, that's so sick.